Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Thins. But for today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you Ariston boiler error SP1. How do you fix it? So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're getting the SP1 error code here, usually it means that there's some problem with your gas valve or ignition system. Now, there are a few things I could try here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure check your supply here or your gas supply. Now, ensure that the gas supply to the boiler is actually turned on. And if there are any issues with the gas line that might be restricting gas flow, or in this case, if there's any gas that's actually escaping. So just make sure that's not the problem here. It can be kind of dangerous. So in this case, just make sure your gas supply is properly managed, or if you do see some leaks, make sure to contact a professional once you notice that. Now, next thing that you want to do is you might want to inspect your ignition system. So in this case, you want to check if the pilot light is actually lit, and if not, there may be some issue with the ignition system, and make sure there are no obstructions blocking the burner. And if the pilot light is out, just follow the manufacturer's instructions to actually relight it. But then again, make sure there's no leaks. And also, you might want to reset your boiler if none of those actually worked before. So in this case, you might want to locate your reset button on your boiler. It actually depends on your model, so it differs. So make sure to refer to your manual. And from then on, just press and hold it for a few seconds to clear any errors and restart the system. Now, if none of this actually work, it's best to consult a professional or a technician that actually knows what they're doing. Especially if there are any leaks with your system, it's best to contact one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.